This video will quickly walk you through how to add a website link inside of Empower. So let's take this blog URL here at the top and copy that, and then go over to my homepage, click Create on the top left, and then select Link URL. Right here is where I'll paste the URL that I just copied, and you'll notice that all of this information was automatically populated. This comes from the metadata from that blog post. So the featured image, the title, and this excerpt will just pop in automatically. You can change any of these things, and you can also replace the featured image if you'd like by dragging and dropping another image on top. Once you've selected all of the information that you want, you'll just hit save. And then you can find this in your content. Once it's done uploading, you'll see the thumbnails there. You can edit any of those things the same way you would edit any other piece of content inside of Empower by clicking the three dots and editing properties here.